Hello, welcome in Sohi's teaching channel. Till now I was teaching through whiteboard and I thought I have to do something different for my students. So the result is in front of you. In this video we will solve few numericals based on mirror formula. Hope so you will like it. अगर लाइक करते हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक बटन ਨੂੰ जरूर प्रेस कर ਦਿਓ। चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो and let us start today's video for numericals based on mirror formula. So let us start. First of all बेटा कि फार्मूला की यूज्ड हैं इस जो भी आप करने हैं इस वीडियो च डिस्कशंस फार्मूला जो भी फार्मूला यूज है फर्स्ट एक तो फार्मूला है मिरर फार्मूला मिरर फार्मूला की है बेटा मिरर फार्मूला है 1/v प्लस 1/u इक्वल्स टू 1/f राइट। एक दूसरा फार्मूला मैं दसदा थोड़ी देर वट इज v u एंड f। नेक्स्ट इज मैग्निफिकेशन। Second formula is magnification. Magnification is m. M is minus v upon u. So let us see what are u, v and f. First of all, u is object distance. कि ऑब्जेक्ट कितने रखा है कितना दूर रखा है that is u, right? And v, what is v? V is image distance के image कितनी दूर बनी है then and f is focal length okay. So let us start. This is a concave mirror. You can see this is a concave mirror and this is a convex one. पहचान के में आई ये है पेंट साइड। यू कैन सी दिस इज ए पेंट साइड ओके कर्व्ड इनवर्ड हो गया और ये आ है पेंट साइड दिस इज पेंट साइड ओके। सो दिस इज ए कॉनकेव मिरर एंड दिस इज ए कॉन्वेक्स मिरर। कॉनकेव मिरर दी आ जी साइड होगी ये साइड आ गई फ्रंट साइड। वी प्लेस ऑब्जेक्ट हेयर एनीवेयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर राइट। दिस इज द पॉलिश्ड पेंट साइड सो इट बिकम बिहाइंड ऑफ द मिरर। सेम इज हेयर दिस इज फ्रंट साइड वी प्लेस ऑब्जेक्ट एनीवेयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर and this is behind. According to sign conventions, the front side is always negative and behind side is always positive. Same is here. Front side is negative and behind side is positive. So first of all, object distance is u and u is always negative. Why it is always negative? Because बेटा आप की करते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट हमेशा फ्रंट साइड ते रखते हैं। देखो ऑब्जेक्ट हमेशा ऑब्जेक्ट जो फ्रंट ते ही होएगा मिरर दे। बिहाइंड मिरर दे ऑब्जेक्ट रख के की बनूगा कुछ भी नहीं बनूगा क्योंकि बिहाइंड साइड का सारी जी पेंट है ठीक है जी। सो अगर फ्रंट साइड पे ही ऑब्जेक्ट हमेशा रखा जाएगा दैट्स वाई फ्रंट साइड इज नेगेटिव सो यू इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव। नाउ फोकल लेंथ एफ विल बी नेगेटिव कदों जी जदों मिरर केड़ा है कॉनकेव मिरर। फॉर कॉनकेव मिरर एफ इज नेगेटिव। वाई एफ इज नेगेटिव? You can see this is a concave mirror and this is a concave mirror, and in front of the concave mirror there is a f. But in case of convex, you can see f will be behind. So behind side is positive. So in case of convex, f will be positive. F is positive when mirror is convex. Okay. Now V, image distance. In image distance, V will be negative if image formed in front. Okay. And V will be positive if image formed behind. Also, front side is real side, so image is real, and behind side is virtual, so image will be virtual. So let's solve 2-3 numericals. This is question number 1. So what is the question? Question is a concave mirror if f will be negative. पता लग गया सानू concave है तो f negative होगा. Produces 2 times magnified, it means m is given real, m will be negative क्योंकि m real case negative है, m virtual the case positive है. Object placed, that is u, at 10 centimeter, so we have to given u is minus 10 centimeter. पता है बेटा कि u हमेशा नेगेटिव लेने हैं. और सानू की गिवन है, और सानू m गिवन है, it is 2, but not only 2, it is minus 2. Okay, so position of image we have to find v, so v we have to find. Now we know that formula पता है ना, formula वाला formula लाएंगे ना मैग्निफिकेशन लिए, ठीक है जी. सो वह फार्मूला लाइए, m equals to minus v upon u. Put the value, m is minus 2 minus v we have to find, and u is minus 10. Minus cancel with this minus, and we get minus 2 multiplied 10 equals to v. At last we get v equals to minus 20 centimeter. Okay जी. सो v की आया नेगेटिव आया. सो ਇਹਦਾ ਮੀਨ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਸਾਈਡ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਮਿਰਰ ਦੇ ਕੇਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਫਰੰਟ ਸਾਈਡ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਹੈ, तो इमेज कितने बनी है, फ्रंट थे. ओके, तो आप लिखेंगे इमेज इज एट 20 सेंटीमीटर इन front of mirror. So this is the answer for first question. So now move to question number 2. This is question number 2. An object 4 centimeter high, it means h is given, height of object h is 4 centimeter. So it is 4, so it is 4 centimeter. Placed at a distance u is minus 6 centimeter. In front of concave, concave means f will be negative, पता है जी, f equals to नेगेटिव साइन होगा जो भी आएगा, f is 12, so right here minus 12 centimeter. Find position, एक तो v find करना है, तो आप इतने लिख लेने हैं, एक तो आप v find करना है, we have to find v, and एक आप find करना है nature, so nature from m, that is m, and h dash size of image, right? So let's start. Use mirror formula, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u equals to 1 upon f. Put the values, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. What is u? U is minus 6 equals to 1 upon f. What is f? F is minus 12. Shift this value on the another side, we get 1 over v equals to minus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 6. Now solve it. 1 upon v equals to, it is 12, it is 6, cross multiply 6 minus 6 plus 12. You get 1 over v equals to 6 upon 12 into 6. This 6 value cancel with this one, and we get 1 over v equals to 1 over 12, and at last v equals to 12 centimeter. This is our question answer. Okay, so we calculated v is 12. Now we have to find v, we have calculated. Now what about m? So let's see m. M equals to minus v upon u. Put the value. M equals to minus v is 12 upon u is minus 6. Okay, so put the value u as minus 6, minus 6, minus cancel with this minus, and we get m equals to 2. Right? ਹੁਣ m ਕੀ ਹੈ? m is positive, it means image is virtual and erect. Now we will calculate h dash. H dash equal to m multiply h. So h dash equal to, what is m? M is 2, and h, what is h? You can see from here h is 4. H is 4. See, h is 4. So put h is equal to 4. So h dash equals to 8 centimeter. We have calculated all the things, that is position, nature and size. Let's move to other question. Next question. This is question number 3. The radius of curvature of convex mirror. So r is given, r is 10 centimeter. Convex means f will be positive. So you know f equals to r upon 2. We get 10 upon 2. So f equals to 5 centimeter. An object of size 10, it means h equals to 10 centimeter, placed in front of it at a distance of 15. So u equals to minus 15 centimeter. Find position v, find करने, nature m find करना है, and image formed, that is size of image, so h dash we have to find. So let's use mirror formula and solve it. 1 over v plus 1 over u equals to 1 over f. Put the values. 1 over v as it is plus 1 over u. What is u? U is minus 15 centimeter. So put here minus 15 centimeter equals to 1 over f. F is 5. Shift the 1 by 15 to another side. 1 by v equals to 1 over 5 plus 1 over 15. 1 upon v equals to, here we get 5 and 15. Cross multiply 15 plus 5. So we get 1 over v equals to 20 upon 5 into 15. Okay, so 1 upon V equals to 5 ones the 5 fours 20, so 4 over 15, and V equals to 15 upon 4 centimeter. This is the position of image. Now move to M. M equals to minus V upon U. M equals to minus V upon U. Put the values. M equals to minus V. V is 15 upon 4 whole upon minus 50. You can see 15 is the U. Done. So it is 15 upon 1. So M equals to minus cancel with this minus 15 upon 4 into 1 upon 15. 15 cancel with this 15, and we get M equals to 1 upon 4. M की है, M is positive, image is virtual and erect. Now at last we will find H dash. So H dash equals to M multiply H. Put the values. H dash equal to M is 1 by 4 and H is 10. So put here 10, H is 10. We get 4 2's and 10 5's. H dash equals to 2.5 centimeter. This is all about the answer. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel, like the video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो, तब तक ले गुड बाय, टेक केयर.